What if I told you that some of the smallest, most overlooked stocks in the entire market are quietly delivering massive gains, while everyone else is busy chasing the same big names? I'm talking about tiny companies. Some of them so small most investors have never even heard of them yet. One of these stocks is already up nearly 100% this year alone. And here's the crazy part. It's not just random hype. There are actual analysts, professionals who usually ignore stocks this small starting to pay attention. Now ask yourself this: why would analysts spend time on companies that most people consider too risky or too insignificant? What are they seeing that the average investor is completely missing right now? Because sometimes the biggest opportunities don't come from the biggest companies. They come from the ones that are still flying under the radar right before the crowd finds them. But here's where it gets even more interesting. These aren't just cheap stocks for the sake of being cheap. Each one is tied to a powerful trend shaping the future, whether it's electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or even the global demand for precious metals. And if you catch the right story early, even a small move can turn into something much bigger than most people expect. Now, before you start thinking this is some kind of get-rich-quick list, let's get one thing clear. This space is not for everyone. Penny stocks and microcap companies can be extremely volatile. And that's exactly why most investors either avoid them completely or jump in without really understanding what they're doing. Some people are attracted to them because they're cheap. You can buy a large number of shares with a small amount of money, and if the price moves even slightly, it feels like a big win. But what most people don't realize is that these stocks don't behave like the large, well-known companies you hear about every day. They move faster, they react differently, and timing matters a lot more. That said, when there's a real story behind the company, when there's growth, attention, and momentum building in the background, that's when things start to get interesting. So in this video, we're not just going to throw random penny stocks at you. We're going to look at a carefully selected group of companies that are actually getting notice for a reason, companies that have analyst coverage, strong narratives, and potential catalysts that could push them even further. And by the end, you'll not only know what these stocks are, but more importantly, you'll understand why they are starting to show up on the radar right now. These are not the stocks you hear about every day. In fact, most investors completely ignore them, and that's exactly why they're so interesting right now. We're talking about extremely small companies, some of them not even traditional small caps, but micro-caps, teeny businesses that sit far below the radar of mainstream investors. And yet, despite their size, some of these stocks are quietly delivering explosive performance. One of them has already surged nearly 100% this year alone. Now, here's where things start to get really intriguing. These aren't just random spikes driven by hype or speculation. There's something deeper happening. Analysts who usually don't even bother covering companies this smaller, starting to pay attention. And that alone tells you something important. Because analysts typically focus on larger, more established companies where the data is easier to track and the risk is lower. So when multiple analysts begin covering a tiny company, it usually means there's a compelling story behind it. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Not just cheap stocks, but small companies tied to powerful trends like electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and even precious metals. These are areas that are already shaping the future, and some of these names are trying to carve out a space within them. But before we jump into the list, there's something you need to understand. These types of stocks don't behave like the big names you're used to. They move differently, they carry more risk, and they require a completely different mindset. So before we look at the opportunities, let's talk about the reality most people ignore when it comes to penny stocks. The reason so many investors are drawn to penny stocks is actually very simple. They look cheap. You can take a relatively small amount of money, buy a large number of shares, and if the stock moves even slightly, it feels like you've made a significant return. And in some cases, that's absolutely true. These stocks can move fast, and when they do, the gains can be impressive. But this is also where most investors get it wrong. Because what looks like an easy opportunity on the surface often comes with a level of risk that many people underestimate. These are very small companies. Some of them are operating with limited revenue, some are not profitable, and others are still trying to prove that their business model even works. That alone introduces a level of uncertainty you don't typically see with larger companies. Then there's the issue of timing. Penny stocks are highly volatile, which means they can move up quickly, but they can also drop just as fast. If you're chasing momentum at the wrong time, you could end up buying right at the peak, only to watch the stock pull back shortly after. That's a common mistake. However, that doesn't mean there aren't real opportunities here. It just means you need a smarter way to filter them. One of the key signals used here is analyst coverage. When a stock this small has multiple analysts following it and even issuing positive ratings, it suggests there's something worth paying attention to. It doesn't eliminate the risk, but it does provide an extra layer of validation. So with that in mind, let's start looking at the first company because this one is already beginning to challenge expectations. The first company on the list is Microvast, a name that some investors may have heard before, but many still don't fully understand. At its core, this is a company focused on battery technology, specifically for electric vehicles. And while that might not sound unique at first, the story becomes much more interesting when you look a little deeper. Because, unlike many US-based green energy companies that rely heavily on domestic demand, Microvast generates a significant portion of its revenue from international markets. And right now, that's actually working in its favor. While the US market has presented challenges for certain green energy companies, Microvast has been able to find growth elsewhere. That growth was clearly reflected in its most recent earnings report. The company exceeded expectations on both revenue and earnings, and it maintains strong guidance for the year ahead, projecting growth between 18% and 25%. But perhaps even more importantly, it's showing signs of profitability and even generating positive free cash flow, which is a major milestone for a company at this stage. Of course, there are still skeptics. Some point to the stock's high short interest, suggesting that recent gains may not be sustainable. But there's another side to that argument. Microvast was recently added to the Russell 3000 index, a move that could increase institutional interest and bring more attention to the stock. And then there's the bigger picture. This isn't just about electric vehicles. The company is also involved in energy storage, a critical piece of the future as global demand for power continues to rise. Add in a portfolio of over 800 patents, and suddenly, this small company starts to look a lot more significant than its size suggests. The second company takes us into one of the biggest trends in the market right now, artificial intelligence. But interestingly, this isn't a typical AI company. Instead, it operates behind the scenes, providing the infrastructure that allows AI systems to function at scale. This is Ribbon Communications, and what it does is often described as a picks and shovels play for AI. In other words, rather than building the AI itself, it provides the essential technology that supports it. As AI systems become more advanced and more interconnected, the need for reliable communication networks becomes even more critical. And that's where Ribbon fits in. One of the most compelling aspects of this company is its relationship with government clients. Governments are investing heavily in secure, scalable communication networks, and Ribbon's technology plays directly into that demand. That creates a level of stability that many smaller tech companies don't have. Financially, the company is also showing some promising signs. It has maintained strong revenue guidance and even announced a $50 million share buyback program, something you don't often see with companies in this category. At the same time, there are risks to consider. The company has experienced significant volatility in the past, especially after its early public debut. But despite that history, analysts are showing renewed interest. With multiple analysts covering the stock and projecting notable upside, it's clear that this is a company many believe could benefit from the continued expansion of AI. And if AI truly continues to grow at its current pace, the infrastructure behind it may become just as valuable as the technology itself. The third company shifts the focus to another critical area: cybersecurity, and more specifically, identity verification and fraud prevention. This is where Intellect operates, and it's a space that's becoming increasingly important as digital systems grow more complex. Because as AI evolves, so do the threats associated with it. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, and companies are being forced to invest more heavily in protecting their systems. That creates a strong long-term demand for cybersecurity solutions. What makes Intellect interesting is its specific approach. The company has developed proprietary technology that can read and verify data directly from identification documents, like driver's licenses, in real time without relying on large external databases. That could be particularly valuable for organizations concerned about privacy and data security. In addition to its technology, the company benefits from a software-as-a-service model, which means recurring revenue through contracts. And according to its latest data, it has achieved a 100% customer renewal rate, impressive figure that suggests strong customer satisfaction. Financially, it also stands out with extremely high margins, reportedly around 90%. That's one of the reasons analysts are paying attention. However, there's an important detail to consider. The stock has already seen a significant run-up this year, and when that happens, it often leads to short-term pullbacks. For investors, that could mean waiting for a better entry point rather than chasing momentum. Still, the underlying story remains strong. And in a world where digital identity and security are becoming more critical by the day, companies like this could play a much bigger role in the future. The final company moves away from technology and into something more traditional but no less important: precious metals. Specifically, silver. This is Endeavour Silver, a mining company focused on extracting gold and silver from its properties in regions like Chile and the United States. And while mining might not sound as exciting as AI or cybersecurity, the opportunity here is tied to something much bigger: global market trends. Over the past year, gold has been the dominant force in the precious metals space. But recently, attention has started shifting toward silver. Many analysts believe silver has lagged behind and could potentially close the gap, or even outperform, in the near future. If that happens, companies involved in silver mining could benefit significantly, because as the price of silver increases, the profitability of extracting it increases as well. That's one of the key reasons analysts are showing interest in Endeavour Silver. Despite being a relatively small company, it has attracted coverage from multiple analysts, many of whom are bullish on its future potential. They've even set price targets that suggest meaningful upside from current levels. This isn't just a bet on a company, it's a bet on a broader trend. And if that trend plays out, companies like Endeavour Silver could be positioned to benefit in a big way. But like everything else on this list, it comes with risk. Commodity prices can be unpredictable, and mining operations are complex. Still, for investors looking to gain exposure to precious metals in a different way, this could be one to watch. So when you step back and look at the full picture, what you really have here is not just a list of random penny stocks, but a collection of companies tied to some of the most important trends shaping the future: electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and global commodities. These are not small ideas, and yet the companies we've discussed are still relatively small themselves. That's where the opportunity and the risk comes in, because while these stocks have the potential for significant growth, they also come with volatility that larger companies simply don't have. That means they require a different approach, a different mindset, and a clear understanding of what you're getting into. The key takeaway here is not to blindly invest in any one of these names, but to understand the stories behind them. Why are analysts paying attention? What trends are they connected to? And what could drive their growth moving forward? Because in many cases, the biggest opportunities are found before the majority of investors even realize they exist. But timing, research, and discipline all play a major role in determining whether those opportunities actually pay off. Now the question is, what do you think? Are these the kinds of stocks you'd consider adding to your watch list, or do you prefer sticking with more established companies? And if you're already exploring this space, which companies are you looking at right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about how to actually find and evaluate these kinds of opportunities, make sure to check out the next video, because understanding the strategy is just as important as finding the stock. So when you put everything together, what you're really looking at here isn't just a random list of cheap stocks. It's a group of small, under-the-radar companies that are all connected to some of the biggest trends driving the market right now. From electric vehicles and AI infrastructure to cybersecurity and even the future of precious metals. These are industries that are expected to grow over the coming years. And yet, the companies we talked about are still small enough that most investors haven't even noticed them yet. But that's exactly where both the opportunity and the risk come in. Because while these stocks can move fast and deliver strong returns, they can also be unpredictable. That means you can't approach them the same way you would with large, established companies. You need to be more patient, more selective, and most importantly, more aware of the story behind each one. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about buying something because it's cheap. It's about understanding why it has the potential to grow in the first place. And that's really the key takeaway here. The investors who win in this space aren't just chasing price, they're paying attention to trends, momentum, and signals like analyst coverage that hint at something bigger happening behind the scenes. Sometimes, the biggest moves start when no one is paying attention, and by the time everyone else catches on, the opportunity looks very different. So now, I want to hear from EO Wood. You actually invest in penny stocks like these, or do you prefer sticking with safer, well-known companies? And if you're already watching this space, which stocks are on your radar right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the next video, because knowing how to find these opportunities is just as important as knowing about them in the first place.